Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Memereum token. Ticker symbol is MEME. Now this token just got a brand new central exchange listing on January 19th. And we're going to go over the information on the Memereum token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, the Memereum token is on the Binance Smart Chain. I was just looking at their BSC scan. There's a max total supply of 200 million meme tokens, 9 decimal places on this token, and this token is not even on PancakeSwap yet. There has been 0 PancakeSwap transactions, even though it's a BSC token. You would expect it to be on PancakeSwap, but it is not. And where this token is listed, it just got listed January 19th on a central exchange called Vindax, V-I-N-D-A-X. So if you're looking to get the Memereum token, all you would have to do is download Vindax from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, get it on your PC, open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search meme, and then simply just buy the token. You can find their Twitter right up here at Memereum BSC. If you go to their webpage, memereum.net, you can find a full white paper over there, contract address, all that type of stuff. It says, "Welcome to the forefront of the financial security and innovation with Memereum Coin, a revolutionary platform that pioneers comprehensive insurance coverage for a diverse array of digital coins. In an ever-evolving digital landscape where the value and stability of cryptocurrencies remains dynamic, the Memereum coin emerges as a beacon of assurance, safeguarding against potential loss of value and unforeseen ruggedness. Our commitment to providing unparalleled protection extends beyond the digital realm. Memereum coin offers a robust insurance coverage for specific notes and coins globally, acting as a bulwark against inflation and effectively mitigating the risk of depreciating against the USD. Bid farewell to concerns about currency devaluation, as Memereum coin empowers you to navigate the financial landscape with confidence. Simply check the availability of your preferred currency and enjoy a shield against value erosion. At Memereum Coin, we recognize the intrinsic value of tangible assets, and that's why our innovative insurance solutions encompass a wide range of metal coins, including silver, gold, and antique coins. Explore the possibilities and coverage for your precious metal holdings, ensuring that your investments are shielded against potential risks and uncertainties. Join us on this journey where financial security meets cutting-edge technology with Memereum Coin. Embrace a future where your digital and tangible assets are safeguarded, allowing you to navigate the world of finance with confidence and peace of mind." Now, it says insurance for all your crypto and fiat investments. So they have comprehensive coverage for digital coins. They have global protection for fiat investments. They have tangible asset safeguarding, and they have a mission on the Binance Smart Chain. Embark on a journey with Memereum, where financial security meets innovation. Now, they have a roadmap on here. Let's check that out. So it says here it is a utility token for the ecosystem, and it will shape the future. So phase 1, they started in October 2023. So it's a fairly new project in general. It says they started with the concept of Memereum, discussed with team members, finding a perfect solution to the current real-world issues. Then November, they launched their first V1 website. December, their initial coin offering will be made on our website late November, so they must have did that and then finished that successfully. And then it says they'll launch on PancakeSwap. They've actually not even launched on PancakeSwap. And it says they're going to launch on their own exchange as well, MEMSwap. So maybe that's on their webpage somewhere. And then mid-January 2024, we will do marketing with such outlets like Yahoo and other big news companies. 100 plus key opinion leaders and influencer marketing will be just a small part of our big marketing journey. And then MEMSwap and Meme Insurance will launch by the end of the year, providing excellent user experience with our very own Memereum app. So that will be coming out. Now they have tokenomics on here as well. So it says, I guess they have a tagline here, Memereum, ensure all your crypto and fiat investments. Their tokenomics does not work for some reason. We'll try that on their webpage, I guess. Yeah, I guess they had a public pre-sale. They did have a how to buy section. So if you want to find info, go to memerium.gitbook.io. They have tons of info over there. Now, they do have an audit as well. It says, Memereum prioritizes transparency and security. The project undergoes regular audits by reputable firms to maintain its integrity and its operation. We take the security and protection of your hard-earned funds as an utmost priority, and we have our project audited with BlockSafu, a leading blockchain auditing firm. So you can check out their audit badge by BlockSafu on their Gitbook. Now, on their webpage, they do have a section that says Buy Now. Let's see what happens when I click on that. That takes me to a pre-sale page. But, I mean, pre-sale should be over here. Maybe not. It looks like it's still going on their page. So it looks like you can get this token off Vindax and their own webpage. It says, click here for more benefits and buy. So you might want to check out their own webpage first, even before the Vindax listing. Maybe you can get some more benefits from getting it off their webpage here. Let me try to open up their pre-sale page, see if it actually works here. So, yeah, it looks like they're still kind of in the midst of their pre-sale on their webpage here. It says, buy memerium.net. That will take you, it says, stage 2 is open now. You can get the token with BNB by connecting your wallet right on the page. So that's obviously why it's not on PancakeSwap yet. So it's on Vindax or it's right on their webpage, buymemerium.net. So those are two different ways to get this token as of now. I'm sure that there'll be more listings to come in the future, including PancakeSwap, so stay tuned for that. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.